It's Bonnie. Happy Wednesday! I am back. Oh my gosh, you guys. We got a lot to talk about. Barry Williams, Dancing with the Stars. We're going to talk about this. Greg lost another shoe, by the way. Oh my gosh, I get problems here. I'm also going to talk about the Bath & Body Works Vampire Blood Bath Fizzy. I did a cool little video outside in my Cauldron. I'm going to put that up right here. And we're going to talk about Bath Fizzies. But first, a lot of people have been asking me about t-shirts. So, I am fully immersed in trying to figure out the best way to do Queen of the Girl Geeks t-shirts. Right now, I'm on Bonfire. I like Bonfire. Their t-shirts are really soft in quality. I think they're great. This is one that I designed. It says Halloween Candle Queen, and then it says Queen of the Girl Geeks down here. What I'm learning about t-shirt design, though, is the more colors you use, the more expensive it is. And then sometimes you get a little bit of fading when you wash a tee, like on black with colors. I've washed this one a couple of times. It still looks good, but I'm just learning more about t-shirt design. So if you want to check out my Bonfire site, I do have, I think, 4 or 5 different designs for Halloween. I have a pumpkin queen. I also have a cat, and then I have a Hey Boo shirt. So cute designs. So if you want to check those out for Halloween, I'm going to try and do more. I also, oh my gosh, you guys, I just found out, thanks to everyone's comments, Greg Brady, Barry Williams is going to be on Dancing with the Stars. Oh my gosh, you guys, we're going to have to watch this together and talk about how well Greg is doing. Greg lost another shoe, by the way. I have no idea what it is. So, as many of you know, I'm kind of obsessed with pop culture in the 70s and 80s. And of course, I was a huge Brady Bunch fan. And I gotta say, Greg Brady was my guy. I loved Greg. I don't even know where I got this. I think I got this one year for Christmas. I don't know if I bought this for my husband as a joke or he bought it for me. We got Blair at some point. But Greg Brady's been kind of my channel mascot now for a while. And I love Barry Williams. He's just an amazing guy. He's done so much. And he just seems like a really nice person. So now he's going to be on Dancing with the Stars. I saw YouTubers going to be on Dancing with the Stars too. I'm like, hey, Dancing with the Stars, call me. I would totally try it. I don't know if I would do very good. I'd give it a try, though. I would totally do Dancing with the Stars. So, I don't know. We'll see. Maybe one day they will call. But right now, we're going to talk about Halloween. Check it out. This is actually a gingham Bath Fizzy. I wonder if you could juggle with these. I don't know. Bath Fizzies at Bath & Body Works. Oh, my. These are very different from the Lush bath bombs. I'm going to do some demos on those too. Lush has got a very creamy formula. It's bath art. When you put it in the bathtub, it just melts into all these wonderful colors. Whereas the Bath & Body Works ones are a little bit more like Alka-Seltzer. They fizz off. They have some body oil. A lot of people love these. I just kind of prefer the formula that Lush uses, but this is what they look like. And they usually have these around Halloween, Christmas, and then they kind of do a couple during, the year. So I actually went outside with my Cauldron, and I'm going to put a screenshot up right here, and I'm just going to show you. I'm actually going to watch it on my screen as I go so I can explain it. So this one is gray, and it's got like these red crystals, sugar crystals. You have the plastic coating on there, which I'm attempting to peel off now. These are hard to open, I gotta say, because you have to peel off the outer part, and then now I'm getting the plastic off. And then what's going to happen is you can see this is a very densely packed bath bomb. These are hard. They're like pool balls. So I'm putting it in the water right now. You can kind of see it fizzing off. These are very fast fizzers. I mean, these are like very bubbly. So you can see I'm kind of immersing it in the water. Got my little cauldron here. I think I got this at Dollar Tree. And then you can see how it's fizzing off there, and you can see the red a little bit, but it does look like a cauldron. I mean, it's kind of cool the way it's like fizzing off. And then what's going to happen is it's just kind of do its thing. This one is gray though. You can see when I pick it up, it's starting to fizz off. The sugar crystals are starting to kind of like dissipate. I don't really know what I don't know if it's even sugar or salt. It might be salt. I don't even know. I didn't read the package. But anyway, the bathtub is going to turn gray, and which isn't the most appealing color. Actually, I'm going to do a Lush bath bomb, which is like the black rose. This thing is really intense. The whole bathtub turns like dark blackish purple. But this one, the water turns gray. On a good note, Bath & Body Works Bath Fizzies do not stain the tub at all. They just pretty much wash away. And a lot of people like just the aroma. It does smell like vampire blood. And you just kind of get like a nice bath. You can see the water there. I'm kind of like dipping in, and it is gray. It's a gray water, which is kind of interesting. You might want to try like a blue one. This is a little bit more palatable, I think, in the bathtub. It's like turns the water into like an ocean rather than a swamp. But anyway, they're fun, and I would highly recommend, you know, maybe getting one for Halloween as a gift. I want to see how much they cost these days. I think they're $9.95. They're usually, let's see, Bath Fizzy. I don't even know what ones Bath & Body Works has right now. Bath Fizzy. Looks like they have eucalyptus spearmint, lavender vanilla, the confetti cupcake, vanilla buttercream tiny ones, and the vampire blood. And not surprising, it gets mixed reviews. So Pretty Water makes a huge mess. A lot of people think they're kind of cool. Then other people are like, yeah, it's horrible. This one said it made a complete mess. The sugar crystals or Epsom salt kind of got all over. So, you know, I honestly think they're kind of a fun novelty, but at the same time, they're just like a little bit different because they're gray, you know? So I just wanted to explain what they are, because a lot of people are like, what is a, whoops. I drop it on my computer. What does a Bath & Body Works Bath Fizzy do? So that's what they do. I'll be doing, like I said, the Lush ones too. So anyway, if you have any questions, leave them below. I got a candle burning from Goose Creek. I will see you guys in a few. Bye-bye.